Good morning, friends. In this tutorial, we'll learn the way of adding CSS in HTML documents. Let's open the VS Code. For example, in the previous lecture, we have completed this tutorial. In index.html, we have added an h1 tag, h2 tag, p tag with class selector and its value. Now, how to include CSS file and styling. One way is internal CSS. For example, let us let us comment out this linking CSS file inside HTML. So what we can do, we can include the CSS inside the head tag by adding a style tag. See, now let's do it again. Universal selector, background color, gray, see, open in live server, background color has been changed. Let us change it with a different color, olive. Change the background color, h1, h2, and p tag, text align, center. See, text align has been centered. Now p tag dot large, if we select font size 20 pixel. See, this p tag font size has been changed. Inside the universal selector, we use margin 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel. So margin padding from all sides has been given. So this is one way of using style sheet by internal use of CSS. Another way is inline CSS. For example, h1 tag, inside the h1 tag is style equal to text align center. Text align center, let's see. Text align of this h1 tag has been centered. Okay, change the color, font color red. Font color has been changed. Say for example, a style here, p dot large text size text size, text align, center, text size, font size, sorry, font size 30 pixel. See the changed. So text align has been sent, font size also changed. So this is another way of using CSS as inline CSS. Sometimes we need to do that to change in any tag. So these are the two ways, and the most conventional ways we are using all the time is creating a style.css file and link that CSS file inside the index.html. Let me tell you another one thing. For big application, we need to create more than one CSS file, and we have to include all the CSS file differently by linking it inside the index.html. So these are the three ways. Let me tell you another one thing that is very important. Sometimes we have linked a style.css file inside index.html and changed and written CSS code. But if we want to change h1 tag center here, but inside the inline CSS h1 tag text align justify, let's see, h1 tag justify, it will be left justify. So even if we write CSS code in the style.css file and linked it, but we change the internal CSS, the internal CSS will work first. Styling will follow first the internal CSS. I hope you understand. Thank you very much for watching this video. Continue watching and please subscribe my channel.